Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can align an image or position an image very well in a Word document. Okay, so the first thing that we'll do is to go to the Insert tab, which is where we can import our image, and then we go to Pictures, and then immediately we click it. We go to the location of the picture. Mine is in the Pictures folder, so I'll be grabbing this Excel logo. I'll just click it and then click on Insert, and immediately you can see everything is a little crappy, so I have to position it very well. And I have a lot of options. I have at least a few options, and I can access those options by clicking on this icon right here, layout options, and immediately I click it, I'll have these layout options, so I can decide to do to place it wherever I want to. Okay, it can be it can be in line with the text, or behind the text, or in front of the text. Okay, so when I click this, you can see it goes along very well with the text. It blends very well, and I can adjust it however way that I like it, and then the text will also adjust itself. Okay, if you don't need that option, you can make it sit on top or at the bottom of the text, depending on how you want it, just like this. With this way it's sitting on top of the text, you can also drag it down so that to be in between. You can bring it down. It all depends on how you want it. And then you can also choose behind text, and then it will be behind the text, so it can actually be on top of the text anyhow that you want it. So I'll click on behind text, and then you will see the text is behind it. And okay, you can see that it's rather behind the text. The text is in front, and then the picture is behind. And then we can also bring the picture forward and then the text behind, so by clicking this last option, and then the picture will be in front with the text behind. We can also choose to currently, if we are doing anything, you can see it's moving. The logo, the Excel logo is moving, our picture is moving, so we can decide to fix it at one place. And to do that, we only click on this icon and then choose this option, Fix Position on Page, so that it will not move. Even if we hit the enter button, it will still be on the same position, but you can still move it wherever you want to. It's just that whenever you are messing with your documents, it won't be touched. You have to do it by yourself. All right, so thank you for watching this. I hope you like this. Please subscribe to my channel and then hit the like button.